Now, today, everybody got a passing mark because, number one, your speeches were 5 minutes or a little over. Number two, most of you looked at your camera. And many of you smiled. And thank God, thank you. None of you spoke machine gun English. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really happy to be here. Now let me tell you about our team. Our team has got 5 members, and each member comes from a different prefecture in Kagoshima. In Japan. Damn it. Speaking fast does not mean good speaker. The leader job. Leader. The leader does not change. One project team, one leader. Now, some of the leaders I have not contacted. I got your emails. I'll send you a reply email with a short message. Please be patient. Today. But each week, a different writer. Each week, a different speaker. Everybody gets a chance. Everybody works. Everybody works. The non-writer, non-speaker, non-leader inputs opinion. The topics that I choose for this class, number one, are engineering topics or teaching topics or human topics. 80% in engineering and 20% in how we learn, behavior, communication. You can only learn if you communicate. I make small groups that can do good teamwork. Some of the teams already sound like good teamwork. But you all can do it. And you all need to learn how to do it, because no one works alone anywhere. The greatest minds in science and engineering cooperated, worked with other people. So, first, then discuss. We are humans. Sometimes we all agree. 5 members will agree. Good thing, bad thing. Reason. But sometimes, it's complex. So maybe there are clash points. Not crash points, disagreements. So you don't have either a positive opinion or a negative opinion. You have some members have a positive opinion, some members have a negative opinion. Why? What? It's not enough in a project discussion, it's not enough to have an opinion. You have to say, you must explain the why. You notice what time it is? It is 11:34. Now, one team, the speaker is absent. I am not a monster. I'm trying to help you improve your communication skills. Of course, English communication skills, but your person-to-person, your video skills, your video communication skills, my part of the video, I will upload to YouTube and you can review it. I don't penalize you for not. I do know how many people watch my videos. Ladies and gentlemen, unbelievably, and not bragging, I am a YouTuber. When doing a video presentation, you must be seen. Now, I'm not scolding you, but too many of you are talking heads. We can only see your head. Dame, dame, dame. Dame, dame, dame. Head, shoulders, and hands. Head, shoulders, hands. Mr. Kawakami is smiling, but that's okay. You know, nah, I know. Nah, maybe I pronounced his name bad, but Saita, you remember head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes. You remember. So I can't give you the alien test. When I lecture, I don't sit down for two reasons. Number one, when you sit down, you compress your body. So you don't have full volume of air. And number two, you must be seen. Head, shoulders, and okay. I have courage of my opinion. My opinion is correct. We don't go back to the past. We move forward into the future. COVID changed our reality. 20 to 40% of communication now is video communication. Now, video communication is not easy. It's not simple. You need practice. You need to think. It's not just sitting in front of a camera. You must be seen. It is harder. It is more difficult to communicate in the video world because it's 2D, not 3D, 2D. That's why you're more comfortable in a classroom. But what we do together, every class, 10 people, workers, part-time workers, in many different classroom environments, sharing the viruses, safety zone. COVID has changed our world. If you've already got if you've got a job, congratulations. But when you did your first interviews, they were online. And a lot of business communication, government communication, university communication online. I am an engineer. I want to communicate as well as possible using the tools that I have. You must be seen. You must be You must be heard. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Ground control. Okay. Last thing. You must talk to your viewers. What does that mean? Look at your camera. Well, class, I'm really happy to teach you today. I'm so happy to see all of you. Professor Larkins, you're not looking at us. Liar, liar. The show. Now I guess that some of your video communication with older people, they show you the top of their head. No, dame. Now I've given you, I've made available in Manaba links to my YouTube channel. And you can scroll. You can not just look at the link, but you could enter my channel and look at any of the videos. You will always see my torso, not just my face. In any of the videos, I guarantee you, you can hear me clearly. If you spend a little time and look at any of the videos, you see I look at my camera. I just don't write on the chalkboard and say what you should do. I do it. Now, you can't see the videos from 2020 because number one, they're terrible, especially the April and early May videos. Terrible, terrible. I didn't know what I was doing. Nobody knew what they were doing. We had no training, no guidance. You're on your own. Fly. So I've made all the mistakes, ladies and gentlemen, and I made videos and I saw the mistakes. So standing here in front of you, in front of a green background, color, clear voice, well lit, copy.